Hey, what is up, you guys? Thank you for coming back to Fantage account giveaway. Now, the only reason why I've done this giveaway with this account in the past and nobody has claimed that account, I chose 4 winners and none of them got back to me, so we're gonna do this again. So yeah, this account was actually my friend. She quit Fantage, so she gave me the account. I asked her, back then when I did the giveaway the first time, she said it was okay. So I just asked her before doing this video, and she says 100% okay that we have the go, that one of you will be the lucky winner. Now, for that, I'm only doing one winner for this account due to the fact that I don't want people, going on it, and if they get mad because they're not the only one on it, so then they ban it and whatever, so forth. Now, for the winner who gets this account, do not ban it, because we will just end up reverting and changing the password back and picking a new winner. So do not ban this account. But yeah, so I'm going to show you what it has. It actually has quite a lot of gold. It has 90,000. And it's level 237. It has just a few things like this. And it has quite a bit of medals as well. This account wasn't really used for anything besides trading, so it doesn't really have a lot of badges. But yeah, it's pretty good. So as you can see, both of these are level 99. She has quite a bit of. Actually, let me show you the inventory first, because everyone's like, "Show me the inventory. We don't care about the houses." Her inventory is actually pretty small, sadly. She has 6 of these, which this hair usually sells for 30,000, so you could probably sell this and get like 180,000 out of just the 6 of those, and then you have the bun and stuff like that. Yeah, so. And then you have this top, which is actually worth a lot. I think 50,000. I'm not really sure about girl items on this game. I actually haven't even played this in a while either, to be honest. So yeah, pretty decent stuff. And after you get done watching this video, if you, whoops, rip, I'm sorry. If you're a, male and would like a guy account, I have a level 900 plus male account that I'll be doing and uploading right after this one. So make sure to subscribe and like this video and comment down below. But yeah, so just a few things. Kitty ears. So it looks kind of weird with that. Oh wow. Apparently she was a member in January of last year, I'm pretty sure, because we definitely didn't have no PC this month. Or last month. But yeah, that's pretty much all. She does have a quite like a few houses. Okay. Well, I'm probably okay, that worked. Home inventory, yeah, she has quite a bit of houses. So, they're all e-coins, so you can use all of these. So whatever one you like. It doesn't really have a lot of, items per se, like, to put inside the house, but you can just, buy it, whatever, do you. She doesn't have any pets either, unfortunately. But yeah, so I'm pretty sure, like, if you do buy her membership, she has a bunch of, like, here, let me see. Do they even add, oh, I can't even check, I cry. Well, she has a bunch of, listing tickets, because I remember, seeing them, or tokens, I mean. She has, like, 90, so you don't have to worry about buying listing tokens for, like, a really long time. So, yeah, this is the account, you guys. The account's name is Lizzie. This is going to be a giveaway. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for, is how to enter that giveaway. So the way to enter this giveaway is you must be a subscriber. If you are not a subscriber, which I'm checking, then you will not be entered. Your name will just be skipped over. You must also like the video and comment down below why you want this account. Also, to make sure that you reach this far in the video, comment down below the word Novix so I know. You gotta put hashtag Novix hashtag so that I know you got this far in the video and that you actually watched the whole thing. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to stay tuned. If you're, again, as I said, a male, make sure to watch the video after this because there's going to be a level 900 plus male account. He's pretty awesome. It actually was my main, and I'm giving it to you guys because one, I quit, and two, we just almost have 100,000 views on the channel. So yeah. Anyways, good luck guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more giveaways.